Hey green thumbs and salad enthusiasts, welcome back to Adam Inca, where today we're swapping business suits for gardening boots. Yes, it's time to dig into the world of home vegetable gardening, pun intended. Perfect for those who think a green thumb is just something you get from painting. Now, first things first, picking your plot. You don't need a massive garden, even a small corner, balcony or window box can suffice. Just make sure it gets plenty of sunlight, because vegetables are basically like us at the beach. They love soaking up those rays. Next up, choosing your veggies. Think of this as drafting your dream team for the Vegetable Olympics. Start simple with beginner-friendly veggies like tomatoes, which are so easy they practically grow themselves. Or lettuce, which is great for feeling like you've achieved something without much effort. Now let's get down and dirty. Literally. Easy. Planting. Space your veggies out because, just like us on a crowded bus, they don't like being squished. And remember, plant tags are your friends. They're like mini instruction manuals for your plants. Watering. It's like giving your plants a nice cuppa. Not too much though, or you'll drown them. And as for weeding, think of it as helping your veggies win a turf war against the weeds. Pull them out! And the grand finale, harvest time. There's nothing more satisfying than eating something you've grown yourself. It's like printing your own money, but tastier and, well, legal. And there you have it. Your own home vegetable garden. You're now officially a veggie whisperer. If you enjoyed this very basic guide and are now dreaming of your vegetable conquests, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more fun and factual guides here at Adam Inca. Share your gardening victories or funny fails in the comments. I'd love to hear them. Until next time, keep growing and maybe hide those carrots from any nosy rabbits. Cheerio!